Hey guys, Paolo here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a much hyped IEM release, the Truthear Nova. There's been plenty of buzz around these earphones and I've spent the last few weeks testing them out to see what the fuss is all about. In this video, we'll dive into their design, sound signature, comfort, and compare them to some of the most popular IEMs in and around their price range. Let's check it out. Going over design and build quality, visually the Nova strikes a balance between sleek minimalism and a modern aesthetic. The faceplates sport a subtle design that won't distract you while you're gaming, yet gives a little flair for those who appreciate good looks in their gear. With its solid housing, the shell feels rather robust, made from a combination of resin and metal elements. This means they can handle daily wear and tear, important if you're the type who packs and unpacks your gear frequently. Also, for transparent details, some color accents add to the premium vibe without being gaudy, perfect if you're looking for IEMs that are understated enough for pro setups but stylish enough for everyday carry. Now, the Truthear includes a decent cable which is flexible yet tangle resistant. The cable uses standard 2-pin connectors, making it easy to swap or upgrade if you ever want something more customized, such as a shorter cable for LAN parties or a longer one for couch gaming. In this case, I've replaced my included cable with a balanced cable, which you can find here in the description below. I highly recommend upgrading your cable to something a bit more balanced or a bit more customizable to your liking. That way you can be truly your setup. Now let's go over the comfort and fit for long gaming sessions. In terms of ergonomics, gaming sessions can last anywhere from 30 minutes to multiple hours, so comfort is critical. The Nova has an ergonomic shell that conforms to the average ear shape very well. Once properly inserted, they sit securely, reducing the risk of accidental falls when you get a little too excited during those intense matches. Now, with IEMs in this price range, they do normally include an extended portfolio of different tips for extended comfort, and inside the box you'll find multiple silicone and foam ear tip options included. Silicone tips provide a more open and slightly brighter sound, useful if you want to catch every detail. The included foam tips, excellent for isolation and comfort, especially for marathon gaming sessions. Finding the right tip is half the battle, but once you get the right fit, the seal definitely helps block out some background noise and is great if you're in a noisy environment. Also, with the right tips, you're able to get that perfect seal for the best sounding sessions possible. Now let's go over the sound quality for these IEMs. The Nova tuning is somewhat neutral, leaning with a slight emphasis on sub-bass. This can benefit gamers in multiple ways, from catching subtle footsteps to feeling the impact of explosions. The bass response, in terms of sub-bass focus, the Nova provides a satisfying rumble for cinematic cutscenes and explosions. If you love immersive single-player experiences like I do, think RPGs or story-driven shooters, the sub-bass extension adds that layer of realism. It's truly amazing. In terms of mid-range, the mid-range is where you'll find vocal dialogue, gunshots, and environmental details. The Nova excels here, offering clear NPC dialogue, which is great for narrative-heavy games where you don't want to miss any plot details, and is precise in imaging. The separation in the mid-range helps you pinpoint the location of teammates or incoming enemies with greater accuracy. And finally, in terms of the highs and the trebles, the high frequency details matter when you're trying to catch those subtle audio cues. The Nova's treble is fairly smooth and extended. Perhaps the biggest win for gamers is how well the Nova handles positional audio. With layered imaging, the separation and imaging helps you discern if the sound is coming from your left, right, or even slightly behind you. This is a big advantage in competitive shooters. With its relatively wide soundstage, the Nova provides a surprisingly open feel for an in-ear design. You can track movements with confidence, giving you the edge in matches where every second counts. Now, if you were to compare with what's out there, the closest thing I would say is the Truthear Hexa, which if you're on a tighter budget, the Hexa is another neutral-ish IEM from the same brand. However, it doesn't offer the same level of clarity or technical performance as the Nova. The Nova's imaging and separation are more precise, essential for competitive gaming. From Sennheiser, they've got the IE200, which leans a bit more towards a fun V-shaped sound. This means a bit more bass punch and potentially a sharper treble. While that can be exciting, it may overshadow the mid-range clarity you need for accurate footsteps and dialogue. The Nova, by contrast, keeps everything balanced and distinct. And compared to other gaming headsets, the Nova can outperform many in sheer detail and accuracy. While you might lose built-in features like a boom mic or software EQ, a separate mic plus the Nova's superior audio quality can be a winning combo for more discerning gamers. Now, the pros and cons for gamers. First, the pros is outstanding clarity and imaging, which helps you pinpoint enemy movement and direction. Comfortable for long sessions, the ergonomic shell and ample ear tip choices is one of the best you can get in this price range. Solid build and cable, durability and easy cable swaps is doable if you need a better mic cable or other upgrades, thanks to Truthear's modular design. And of course, its sub-bass extension. This is what really got me into it. It provides immersive rumble for explosions and cinematic sequences during my gaming sessions, and it really brought everything to life. Now, the cons for the Truthear Novas, although it's not the most bassy, those who want a heavy mid-bass slam might find these a bit less on the aggressive side. And potential fit issues for smaller ears. The shell may be a bit bigger or large for some users, requiring some tip rolling. And of course, the neutral sound might feel a bit less fun compared to the Sennheisers. If you're a fan of highly colored sound, these might be a bit too balanced. So, what do I think of the Truthear Novas? So far, the Truthear Novas are the best that I've tried in this price range for both gaming and music listening pleasure. They're certainly among the top contenders at this price point. By blending a neutral-leaning signature with a focus on sub-bass and detailed imaging, they give you the nuance and precision necessary for competitive titles, along with the immersive low-end many single-player games demand. If you're looking to ditch bulky headsets without sacrificing performance, or even if you just want a versatile earphone that can handle music and movies as well, then the Nova is absolutely worth considering. That's it for today, guys. If you found this review helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming and tech-focused content like this. Let me know in the comments if you think the Truthear Nova could be your go-to gaming IEM, or if you have another recommendation I should check out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, see ya.